pattern is going to be a toss across or a flip flop. Both names are given, both names are used. And I want you to understand this is going to take a little bit extra time because we're going to go with a follower doing a toss across flip flop and then a guy doing the flip flop or toss across, okay? So we'll give you this angle first. We're going to start off with a little twinkle that we did before to get you going, okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah? So let's do that one more time, but this time I'm going to actually involve myself, the leader, okay? So starting off again, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes? So you can see you can travel a little bit, you can move, and kind of go everywhere you need to. So one more time, let's do this. Let's take it from this angle. Okay? Now we're going to do the ladies toss across or flip flop. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nicely done. Now we're going to do the guys. Remember, the steps going to vary. It can vary from a larger or smaller step. Now for the guys, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nicely done. Now you're probably wondering, well, we go back with the guys, because the guys take a little bit more area to go across himself, so it takes a little bit more room, but you can still manage that in a small area, as you can tell. Yeah? So we'll put my back to you this time. And ladies first, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, very small areas, you can make this work, yeah? So this time we're going to have the guys. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nicely done. We're going to give you one more view. An angle, we're going to come all the way back to here for the ladies. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice. Now, the guys' turn. We don't leave out the guys. Okay. Here we go. From this angle. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nicely done. Now you notice our framework kind of goes a little bigger or a little smaller. That's totally up to you. If you're in a nice tight area, a lot of people, you can lower those elbows right underneath, tuck them underneath, and still do exactly the same thing. Smaller steps, bigger steps, totally up to you. Go practice, have fun, and come on back for the next pattern.